Twi version of the video. If you want to watch the English version, you can forward it to 7 minutes. From 7 minutes upwards, it's in English. But from here till 7 minutes is in Twi. Okay. You know, oh yeah, app. Medi kan chere string. Me say string ye ade bi a ehye wim. Ade bi a bebo ahye wim bi enti. Eno ne friend string. Nti wo app na wo ye no. Bibia obeya ahye ahase bia no ne nipa na oyuse wo app no ebehu no. Nti say so far eno nko a na yebeye bibia ebeye bia yebeye ahye print nim. So ho print Kofi, print Ghana, print Enoch. So what you say? Aha. Iti bia pesa wo call next line. Eno anso abe print bibi wo hase. Nti o run code na once you have first line, you have second line. Good. Ni nyina o person start call third line, o beti match be print another one. E wa hashi. So nti no so your third line. Good. As time goes on, make your shortcut be aye dey yes are normal way. But shade bi e bia what printed the word oh, sorry. What printed the word Ghana? Enna what running code ne drew actually what running will code no software no. Oh yeah, ba code do baby no say here Ghana beam. Any quite also print Ghana. Another fancy be a watch your letter wa ha. I'm a teacher. It be a DSA. I couldn't come to school. But what running software now could do, baby? And as software ni no, we teach any say for letter we and my headmaster. Interfere na wo say be letter ni nyina afoforo. So ho, Jamaican what you say? Any point say wo tro letter ni nyina afoforo. E wo say etimi save normal way go baby a ye hia na ya free ni street. That will introduce us to a be a friend variable. Inti dear say I couldn't come to school. Instead say wo be tro ni nyina wo print no. Say ko drew baby now say here dear say I couldn't come to school. What say here no software ni ma. This are what's printing in afoforo. It is 1,000 lines. This also printing in afoforo. A band is a bema wordjuma na dawson. It is the next thing I mean introduce actually what Python if any variable. In the instance of printing, we don't print. For idea be a friend, A is equal to so A is equal to another bit for B is equal to a friend variable. Idea be a whoopee be a whoopee may use it. B is equal to DSA. I couldn't come to school. Now, she says, open DSA. I couldn't come to school. Instead of say we printing in nano, and answer what printing B. Printing B C. Once what did DSA? I couldn't come to school, bro. By say B we no, and find say double quotation mu. The moment I would say B we be say double quotation mu pe. Python be printing B sa na dia bro. Oye ni say ya. Python be printing B nko an wo dia bro. So wahunu. But men ye ni sa eti yifiri mu na ye ni say. Unya yifiri mu na wo ye ni say pe. Afi the Python be ye ni say obehwehwe B no ahwe no ma e hye B nim na wo dia bro. Dear sir, I couldn't come to school. So it be a teacher ni say forward the same thing to your headmaster. So any be our headmaster phone number. And also with different apps so in the one say headmaster and also I print it headmaster. My teacher said I should send you this. This and a day body. I think I will say better. Dear sir, I couldn't come to school. menye ne saa and one say what will be because B ni contain DSA I couldn't come to school. So in the first 1 year DSA I couldn't come to school, and the second 1 year headmaster my teacher said I should send you this DSA I couldn't come to school. Have you seen it? Good. Into variables contain information and that's a variable no almost store data into here data na here information na here string na instead say you better throw the whole thing beam no and when say ya free variable no nko. That is what variable are meant for. If you are your mass calculations now we well what work here and what save final answer here 67.339927 and co with him. So good and once was save you good baby would your variable be a variable needing ye m and a variable needing the k bet me the variable be a whoopie dia. What the year no we are the moment that we hear answer no nya fi na say be 7 point yes be ubetima type in the wrong input, so you only called the variable. So today and I had made the introduction to variable no mo. Now your next one Rebecca who wants me introduction to values, numbers, how are you addition and subtraction. Sana and also is it here. It may call English version. Ahana Twi version easy. It may call English version. Hope I will join me up now. Me wa WhatsApp 0240044138. Na me nya botra kire we ho de obusa me question na meet me you ano. Okay. So I am introducing you to what we call variables today. In my previous video, what I did was I taught what was called a string. This is what we call a string. So I've already explained, so I don't want to waste my time explaining them again. Whatever is in the print is what the user who is going to use your software will see. So you print, you bring double quotation, then whatever is within the double quotation is what the user who is using your code or your software will see. But that is not the case we want, or we want to see something. Let's assume in case you have some information, maybe Ghana is a beautiful country. You have this information in your software. You've printed Ghana is a beautiful country. But maybe along the line, you are running your code and somewhere in the code, you still need Ghana is a beautiful country. So you ask yourself, are you going to print the whole thing again? What if it was 1,000 lines? What if it was 5,000 words? Are you going to print the whole 5,000 words again? Because sometimes there are some things you will need it repeatedly. I hope you understand. Good. A typical example: those who make software or writing book for children, there will be top line, and the top line you see something like Kofi is a boy. Then the kid or the kids will be copying what it is in the book, the first line. Then they will be writing it repeatedly. But along the line, they will write it again. Kofi is a boy. So the Kofi is a boy will repeatedly appear in the book. So as a software developer, at the first line, are you going to print Kofi is a boy and print Kofi is a boy in the second line and print Kofi is a boy in the third line? No, that will waste your time. That is a waste of time. So what you have to do is the word that you need to print. You want to print Ghana is a beautiful country. Just remove the print from there and save it to something we call a variable. So you choose a letter, a word, any letter or any word you want. Don't begin it with numbers, but you can choose a letter, you can choose a word. Then that word will contain your information. So right now, Ghana is a beautiful country. It's contained in the letter A. So whenever I need to write Ghana is a beautiful country, I will just print A. Instead of me printing again, Ghana is a beautiful country, I will just print A. Now let's run the code. Now you see Ghana is a beautiful country. I printed A. I did not print Ghana is a beautiful country. I only print A. But I got Ghana is a beautiful country. Why? Because Ghana is a beautiful country is saved in A. You get it? Now, let me give a classical example again. Number 2 is, today is my birthday. Today is my birthday. Now, if I need the information today is my birthday, instead of me to print today is my birthday, I'll not print today is my birthday. But rather today is my birthday is contained in B. So I'll just print B. So it will give me today is my birthday. Have you seen it? So whatever you print will come out for the user to see. Somebody will ask, what about AB? Now, if you print AB like this, Python will give you error. It will tell you that AB not defined. Yes, AB is not defined. Why? Because AB is a word on its own. And if you look at the code we are having right now, there is no variable called AB. We have A different and we have B different, but there is no variable called AB. So when you run AB, Python will run error for you. Have you seen it? Good. Python will run error for you. But maybe you need both information. You need the information in A. You need information in B. There are so many ways you can do it. You can bring a comma to separate them. Ghana is a beautiful country. Today is my birthday. Have you seen it? Good. If you don't want it to be in the same line, you can print A on the first line. Come and print B in the second line. Ghana is a beautiful country. Today is my birthday. So, depending on whatever you are trying to do, so it's better that anything you do, you save it in a variable rather than printing the raw output. So, if you want to print the results, rather print the variable. And in printing the variable, don't put the variable in double quotation. If you do that, Python will print whatever is in the double quotation for you. Right now, A is in double quotation. B is not in any quotation. So when we print, the top one will be A. The second one will contain what is in B. Like this. Have you seen it? The first one is A. But the second one rather is bringing out the information B was containing. That is today is my birthday. So if you want to reach out to me for your software or your app, you can chat me on WhatsApp 0240 044138. 0240 044138. That's my WhatsApp line. You can chat to me. Then ask anything about Python if you're developing a software or a code with a Python.